Hi guys, it's Harry from Kickstart Commerce and I'm back today with another tutorial for the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to edit some of the checkout fields in the optimized one-page checkout in BigCommerce. So I will show you how to change fields from optional to required and vice versa. And I will also show you how to add additional fields to the checkout page. So for the purpose of this video, I will change the company name from required to optional, and I will change the apartment suite building field from optional to required. So if we navigate to the BigCommerce back office and we go down to advanced settings and then click into the account sign up form section. If we go across to this second tab here, which is address fields, then these are all the checkout fields that we have at the moment. So if I wanted to change company name, we will go across to the three dots, click edit, and now we can make this an optional field. So all you have to do is untick that box and save. And then the apartment suite building is a label which corresponds to address line 2. These can be edited, but that's a little bit trickier to do. We do have a tutorial to show you how to edit the labels of these checkout fields, and I'll link that in the video. The purpose of this might be because if you are in the UK, for example, you will want county instead of state and province. And if you have zip code there, you might want to put postcode there instead. So I'll link that video if anyone wants to check that out. But if we edit this address line 2 and we make it required and we save it. Now if we check the live site, the company name is now optional and the apartment suite building is now required. So if we tried to continue, it would flag up with an error message. So the last thing I wanted to show you was how to add extra fields, and that is in this same section here. If we create a new field, I'm going to add a delivery instructions field, for example. And we can just choose a text field here. Type in delivery instructions, default value, leave instructions for the delivery driver. We will leave that as optional. The maximum field length, we won't bother putting that in. So if we save that and refresh, there we go here. So that's the default text, and we have an extra field now at the bottom as well. So I hope that was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions or have any suggestions for another tutorial, then feel free to drop a message and we'll look at doing that for a future video. Thanks for now.